subscribe to our channel.
The 5 best anti-inflammatory fruits. Inflammatory processes are very common in our daily lives. Intestinal discomfort, those days when our liver is a little more swollen than normal, or even the classic fluid retention that sometimes results in edema or swelling, are problems that could be alleviated with a proper diet. There are fruits that are incredibly rich in antioxidants and medicinal elements, that will help us to defend ourselves from these infectious agents, thereby strengthening our natural immunity. Their high level of water, minerals, and vitamins are a basic help to fortify our body and thus fight these ailments that we all suffer from time to time. Shall we take note of these anti-inflammatory fruits? 1. Pineapple, one of the best anti-inflammatory fruits. Pineapple is one of the best anti-inflammatory fruits that we can find. Do you know its secret? Bromelain. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme that contains sulphur and that, when ingested, in addition to helping improve digestion, it will help create an interesting anti-inflammatory process in our body that is perfect for reducing the accumulation of liquids and those inflammations that we can experience in our joints. Now then, in order to increase even more its active ingredients, it is recommended that you eat natural pineapple on an empty stomach. Thus, if you get up one day with a lot of bloating, with swollen legs or with fluid retention, it would be a perfect time to prepare a few slices of fresh pineapple or a natural juice. You will see how good you feel afterward. 2. Lemon and its bioflavonoids. On our website we have spoken on many occasions about the benefits of lemon and how healthy it is to drink a glass of warm water with the juice of this fruit every morning. Now then, did you know that it is also one of the most effective anti-inflammatory fruits? This is due to one of lemon's essential components, bioflavonoids, which are found mostly in the peel, the pulp, and the white part of the lemon. This element is very useful in reducing bruising, to act as an effective natural antibiotic in our body and, in addition, to alleviate all types of inflammation. Keep in mind that in order to obtain the benefits of bioflavonoids it is important to use the peel or the white part of the lemon. 3. Papaya and its secret component, papain. If you have the opportunity to buy papaya at your local grocery store or market, do not hesitate. It is one of the best anti-inflammatory fruits that we have available. It helps to improve digestion and, also, it is very useful in those times when we want to lose a little weight. Papain, an element present in the papaya pulp, is an enzyme that is used in natural medicine to alleviate pain and to help resolve all types of inflammatory processes. It is wonderful. It is enough to use half a papaya each day in order to benefit from its properties. Thanks to papaya, you will receive a good portion of vitamin C, iron, calcium, and one of the best antioxidants that nature can offer us, beta-carotene. Also, we should never forget that papaya is an easily digestible fruit that also has an antiseptic effect on the digestive mucosa, which is very good for those days when we suffer from gastroenteritis or colitis. 4. Cherries, ideal for arthritis. The magic component present in cherries that can help to reduce the inflammatory processes is anthocyanins. Thanks to this natural pigment, cherries have an attractive color. However, the most interesting thing about these little delicious seasonal fruits is that they have a natural anti-inflammatory effect far superior to aspirin. Hence, according to various studies, cherries are valued as a very suitable treatment for all those who suffer from arthritis. Nor should we overlook the fact that cherries are very rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and in quercetin, a type of enzyme that fights against free radicals. Now then, would you like to know how to eat cherries in order to benefit the most from their anti-inflammatory effects to treat arthritis? It's very easy. Just eat 15 cherries after lunch. Delicious. 5. The power of apple skin. Are you one of those people that always includes an apple in your breakfast? If not, it would be good for you to adopt this healthy and simple eating habit. Did you know that they are also beneficial in treating all types of inflammatory processes? According to one study published by the Department of Immunology and Infectious Diseases at the Montana State University, the skin of apples contain enzymes that help to fight against so-called T cells, which cause inflammation. Apple skin also contains pectin, which provides minerals and vitamins that are helpful for all types of infections. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.